creative berries! In this Connect the Dots drawing video, we're drawing a dot-to-dot picture of Bluey! So remember to get your PDF template in the description below of your dot-to-dot printable, or you can get a piece of paper, pencil, and marker and just draw along with me. Let's get started! Now we always start at number 1, which is right here. And we're doing a little curve to number 2 like that. Now we're going to connect all the way through number 3 and go straight to 4. Straight through and do a little curve on the end for her ears. Now we're going down to number 5. And we're going to do a curve through 6, 7 and stop and do a little S to 8. This is Bluey's eyebrow. Now straight to 9. And we're curving through 10 to 11. So just like that. And then we're going to come back and curve downward again, go straight to number 12. There you go. And curve a little bit to 13, that's Bluey's other eyebrow. Straight to 14. And straight to 15. And a curve on 16, because this is Bluey's nose. And now a little curve to 17, and we're going straight down to 18. Next, we're working on Bluey's arm and fingers. So we go straight to 19, and now we're going to do loops. Like that. Like that. Big loop. Big loop, and a little one for the wrist. Cartoon characters always have 4 fingers, isn't that funny? Now we go straight to 25 and we're coming down to 26 and a little curve on 27. Next is going to be Bluey's leg. So we go straight to 28 and curve outwards for the toes. So 29 like that, and now the bottom of the foot, and now the heel to 31. And then we go straight upwards and we've done one leg of Bluey's. Straight up to 32. And we did it, we did one leg. Now straight to 33 from 32. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to finish the other leg. So straight down, curve for the bottom of the foot, curve for the toes, to 36 and straight to 37. Now a curve to 38 and we're going straight to 39. And now we're doing Bluey's other arm. So we go straight to 40 and we're going to do the fingers again, so lots of loops like we did over here. And a little loop for the wrist and then big loop. Big loop, big loop, and one more, big loop. Straight to 46, and now we connect back to 1. And that's it, we did our outline of Bluey. Let's work on the details now. I start by finishing off Bluey's body, head, eyebrows, and ears. When that's done, we're going to do the nose next, followed by the eyes. You can use a template to make the eyes if you like, or you can draw the circles freehand, whatever you choose. Now we're going to do the mouth, give her a big smile. Next we do the hands, her spots, and her tummy. Let's not forget the feet, to do the other one too. Give her a little toes. I take a thinner marker and I do the highlight on her nose and the lines on her muzzle. If you don't like how you drew the outlines, now's the time you can go in and either fix your mistakes or make your lines thicker and play around with it to try to get it exactly how you want. Whoops, I almost forgot Bluey's tail. Silly me. If you're happy with your picture, it's time to color. Before I start coloring, I pick all of the colors I want to use in my picture. I'm pulling this one right now because I'm going to use it first, and I put the rest off to the side. I'm doing Bluey's body first with a medium color blue for her arms, body, and legs. If you're not sure the colors Bluey is supposed to be, take a look on the internet at different pictures or watch the TV show to give you an idea of what colors you should use. If you don't have the exact same colors as you see on the TV show, that's okay. I didn't have all the right colors either. I picked what I had that was closest, and that's what I used. I'm just taking my marker and I'm smoothing out the colors so I can get a nice, even color. Now I'm taking my dark blue marker and I'm using it for Bluey's tail, spots, and her head. I'm trying to make her look exactly like she does on the TV show, but like I said earlier, I don't have all the right colors, and that's okay. You can also have fun with the drawing if you want to and make your Bluey a different color, just for fun. Next is the light blue marker that we're going to use on Bluey's hands, feet, eyebrows, and tummy. After we're finished coloring the picture, we're going to add some shadows, so don't forget to go back and get some darker colors to use for those shadows, like dark blues, grays, and beiges. If you're wondering why I didn't color the bottom of Bluey's feet, it's because I'm going to make them darker because they're in shadow. So I'm going to use a darker gray color later. Next I take my beigey yellow color to do Bluey's ears and her muzzle. Get ready to get your black marker because we're doing the eyes and the nose next. I also grab a light pink and a dark pink marker to do Bluey's tongue. I use my black again for the inside of Bluey's mouth, and now it's time to work on the shadows. I don't have the blue color I want, so I use a light gray marker and I do the underside of Bluey's tummy and the left side of her arms and legs. Now I pick a lighter gray and I do the same thing for the hands and feet that's on the lighter blue. I'm using that same light gray marker to define the teeth and do some shadows around the eyes. Next I'm going to take a dark gray marker and use it for shadows on the dark blue part of Bluey. And finally we add shadows to the tongue and the underside of the muzzle. I loved coloring Bluey with you, and I hope you had fun too. Bye for now, we'll see you in the next video.